In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to your Instagram profile. Then hit add these three lines. After that, tap add notifications. That's where, at the second position, we can easily find quiet mode. If you don't see this option here, it for sure means that your Instagram is not up to date and you need to head over to the App Store or Play Store and then search for Instagram and get the latest Instagram app version. Once it is done, we can hit add quiet mode now, and that's how we can easily activate it by turning on this option. And also down below here we can configure quiet mode to turn on and off automatically at a given time, and we can also here select the days of the week on which it will turn on automatically in that simple way. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.